Yo, what's going on YouTube? So today we're going to try and fix your guys's, I'm trying to fix your problems with your AMD GPUs. So the drivers on AMD are just absolutely the worst. There's no questioning about that. So the fix that I've found that works for me is downloading AMD Radeon Pro software for enterprise drivers instead of their usual Radeon software. The difference between the two is the Pro line is designed for stability. They don't really update it. They don't add as many features, but they have the most stable drivers. What I found with these drivers, the normal gaming drivers, they update them. There's always bugs. There's something new that's messing up with their gaming drivers. So if you want to fix your crashes, you might lose out on some of the hot new features that they're releasing in their newer line of drivers. But overall, I found that downloading their Pro drivers is overall more stable. So what you're going to want to do is download this guy, uninstall your old drivers, and obviously install the Pro drivers. So when you get that installed, you'll have the same core features. You still have your games. You still can capture. You got your streaming features right here. Everything's there. And you got your tuning, all that good stuff that you had on your gaming drivers. The only difference that I found is that it doesn't look like they provide updates here. Like I said, they don't really update their Pro drivers. They're really designed for stability. So I downloaded these drivers. I was dealing with crashes on Call of Duty Cold War like all the time. I downloaded these drivers. I have not crashed since. So obviously the Pro drivers are where it's at, and I definitely would recommend using the Pro drivers. You might lose a tiny bit of FPS, but overall the stability is so much better. So I definitely would give this a try if you're dealing with all the bugginess that AMD drivers bring. Let me know how it worked out for you guys. It really helped me, and it was kind of a short video here, but thought I would get it out and let people know that these drivers exist, because I kind of had to hunt around and figure out what was going wrong with my PC. So if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, I guess, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See you later.